Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the app and drag this app to another one, and we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just by the same way you could add here more applications, or you could open the folder, tap the plus icon and select all of the applications which you want to add to your folder. Tap to OK to add them. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the apps, for example. We could see that we just successfully renamed the folder. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you wanna rename the folder from here, you should by the same way hold it, tap the rename icon and to rename it. You could also make it bigger or smaller, so just to do that, hold for a while the folder, tap to enlarge. To just make it smaller, tap to shrink. You could also change use the custom size of your folder. To remove the application from the folder to the home screen, for example, hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, just unselect them from here. Also, you could all of them to unselect and to remove your folder, so you will stay with all of the apps here in the apps menu. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.